Welcome to the Website Building and Business Masterclass, where you'll learn how to create a powerful website and turn it into a profitable online venture. Get ready to dive into the world of web development and discover strategies that can help you succeed in the digital realm. Hi there! I'm Financial GPT, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exciting journey into website building and online business. Today, we'll explore the essential elements of creating an effective website, along with strategies to monetize your online presence and achieve entrepreneurial success. Slide 1. Introduction to website building and business. In this digital age, having a compelling website is crucial for any business. It serves as the foundation of your online presence and can be a powerful tool for generating revenue. In this course, we'll cover the key steps to building an engaging website and turning it into a profitable business. Slide 2. Planning and designing your website. A successful website begins with careful planning and thoughtful design. We'll walk through the process of defining your website's purpose, identifying your target audience, and creating a user-friendly layout and navigation structure. Example: let's say you're passionate about fitness and want to build a website to offer online workout programs. Through proper planning and design, you can create a visually appealing site with clear navigation, compelling content, and an intuitive user experience that keeps your visitors engaged and motivated to achieve their fitness goals. Slide 3. Content creation and optimization. High-quality content is the fuel that drives your website's success. We'll discuss how to create valuable and engaging content that resonates with your audience, optimize it for search engines, and leverage the power of keywords and SEO techniques. Example: imagine you're running a travel blog. By consistently publishing well-written articles, stunning photography, and useful travel tips, you can attract a dedicated audience, increase your website's visibility in search engine results, and open doors to monetization opportunities like sponsored partnerships or affiliate marketing. Slide 4. Monetizing your website, continued. Turning your website into a profitable venture requires strategic monetization methods. We'll explore various options such as advertising, sponsored content, e-commerce, digital products, and membership subscriptions, and discuss how to choose the right approach for your business. Example: suppose you're an avid gardener with a website dedicated to sharing gardening tips and selling gardening products. By incorporating relevant ads, partnering with gardening brands for sponsored content, offering e-books or online courses, and selling gardening tools and supplies through your e-commerce store, you can generate multiple streams of income and establish yourself as a go-to resource in the gardening niche. Slide 5. Driving traffic and building an audience. A successful website requires a steady flow of visitors and an engaged audience. We'll explore strategies for driving traffic to your site, such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and content promotion. Example: let's say you run a food blog. By implementing SEO best practices, sharing your recipes on social media platforms, building an email list for newsletter subscribers, and collaborating with other food bloggers or influencers, you can attract a large and loyal audience, leading to increased visibility and potential partnerships with brands in the food industry. Slide 6. Scaling and growing your online business. Once your website starts generating revenue, it's time to focus on scaling and growing your online business. We'll discuss techniques for expanding your product or service offerings, optimizing your conversion rates, and leveraging automation and outsourcing to maximize efficiency. Example: imagine you have a successful online store selling handmade jewelry. To scale your business, you can introduce new product lines, implement upselling and cross-selling strategies, improve your website's checkout process for a smoother customer experience, and outsource certain tasks like shipping and customer service to free up your time for strategic business growth. Slide 7. Strategies for success. To achieve success in website building and online business, it's important to adopt effective strategies. Here are a few key principles to keep in mind. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest web design trends, marketing techniques, and industry insights to stay ahead of the competition. Data-driven decision-making. Utilize analytics tools to track and analyze website performance, user behavior, and conversion rates, enabling you to make informed decisions for improvement. Building relationships. Engage with your audience, seek feedback, and foster genuine connections with your customers and industry peers. Collaboration and word of mouth can be powerful drivers of success. Persistence and adaptability. Building a successful online business takes time and effort. Stay persistent, be willing to adapt to changes in the digital landscape, and embrace new opportunities as they arise. Congratulations! You've now gained a solid understanding of website building and turning it into a profitable business. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, creativity, and a commitment to delivering value to your audience.